Once again, some rice, of course, and some beautiful prawns that we picked up this afternoon at the markets. Half a kilo again, beautiful. Here we've got some garlic and butter prawns, some rice, and I got the front seat in the Jeepney for the first time today. These drivers are the drivers, and they're also the cashier. Take the money, get the change, they do it all. Hey dude, how are you? You're the boss. Always lots of traffic when school finishes here. There's the little tags that determine where you're going. This one's GMA area. When he goes back, he just flips it around and then he's got the next destination. Good system. Another example of a trike. This one's a 4-seater. Probably fit 6 people on there. Here we have the new jeepneys in the Philippines. Bigger and better. Eighteenth hole out of the rough. Good shot. Not a bad shot. Hitting a yellow ball. 18th hole from the fairway. Much easier. Yeah, good shot down the middle. Pool is looking fantastic today. There's got the whole place to myself. I think it might officially be closed today, but anyway, we're going to spit our kilometre out. It's a good opportunity to have a practice with my new drone that I just recently purchased. It's a DJI Neo, which can fly off your palm and land on your palm. It can be flown with the use of your mobile phone, or through a DJI controller, or alternatively it can fly by voice commands, which is pretty snazzy. But it's pretty cool the way it can land on your hand like this. It's pretty cool the way the drone can either lead you, it can follow you, it can circle you, it can shoot straight up in the sky, or it can do a shot called a droning. You can set all the measurements before it takes off, depending on what your surroundings are. So if there's trees around or something like that, you might have to fly it a little bit lower or a little bit higher than the trees. And depending what's happening on the ground, it's got to set these parameters. A little bit of bits bucking down, and this old Jeepney got a leaking roof. It's raining inside the Jeepney. This is funny with the older gentleman. Raining inside. How much?
5 pesos.
5 pesos. Yes. What is it?
Ano ba beta? Yes. Ano yung Betamax?
That's chicken blood.
Chicken what?
Chicken blood.
Chicken blood.
Yes.
Chicken blood?
Yeah,
Yes.
they just put in fridge and like that.
Oh, right. Nice.
I'm gonna buy and this thing later when we come back now.
Okay. Hey boys!
Hi!
You're gonna be famous.
Idol!
Oh boys, yes. These are all the gamers. You've been betting.
What's your name, Black?
The boys having a bet in the gaming hub.
What's your name?
My name's Mr. Michael.
Michael?
Mr. Michael. Oh, once again, Annie's outdone herself. She's got some rice, some beans, some guacamole with plenty of onion and tomato, and some egg, tomato, and onion. Well, the chicken, carrot, potato, and cabbage soup is absolutely beautiful, and the bean adobo and rice, very nice. The bean adobo is lovely, and the guacamole is very, very tasty.